Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi, and you are welcome to my Excel lessons for today. Today, we want to look at how to select particular cells based on the format of that particular cell. Assuming we have a lot of data where we want to select the cells based on its format. Example, we have colored some cells green and want to select those cells. We'll use the shortcut key Ctrl F to bring up the Find and Replace dialog box. Then we go to Options. So under Options, we'll have no format set, so we go to the format, we click on the small arrow key, then we go and select choose format from cell. So we choose the format from the cell. So we'll have this. Then we want to select cells based on this format, shaded green with the format general. So we select it. So we see that we have the format preview here. From here we can go to find all. You will see that it will select all the 2 cells, so it means it has gone to the whole sheet and can select it to green, the 2 cells shaded green. You can quickly select this and quickly go to replace and decide to replace it with not in data, and now go to replace. You will see that the first one will change to not in data, then we can replace. In the same way, we can even select the whole cell, right click and delete those particular cells affected, delete the entire row. So we can delete the entire row. So you see that those ones selected are deleted. This is how smart you can really use some short Excel skills to really be excellent in the work that you do. Thank you very much, and continue to follow us on Teach Console Diary. Have a wonderful day.